latest event, Chris laying a claim against the system for altering his name and running with a false oath. It's like my mind can't stop with the simple discovery. Everybody's of a capacity. Every man and woman that's ever come to this workshop has a capacity now to go and repeat what Chris did. He simply went down to the RCMP and said, I need to lay a criminal complaint. One, somebody's altered my name for a financial purpose without my consent. And two, the whole system of provinces, cap uppercase P, has been running a false oath since 1955. Doesn't matter that I'm bringing it to your attention now. The validity of what I'm saying, that it is fake, is on the face of the record. It's prima facie. You can't ignore this now, and you have to investigate. This is a big change, folks, to understand that all of this quest and talk and reading scripture, reading law, takes a back seat now. If you ain't complaining, there ain't no restraining. Brothers and sisters, it's now raining upon their fraud. It's going to wash them clean and bring us into dream, out of the nightmare.